If you want to charge your Xiaomi 17T Pro, then you have two main methods that allow you to do so. The wired option and the wireless option, and I'm gonna actually begin with this wireless one. So if you have a wireless charger, then you should be able to place your phone on top of it and you should be able to start charging immediately. Of course, this also works with, let's say, cars. So if your car has a wireless charger, you can just place your phone on that wireless charger and it is going to work straight away as well. There's no button that you have to enable or no option that you have to find to be able to charge your phone wirelessly. You just place your phone on top of the wireless charger and it starts charging. We have 50 watts of wireless charging available on this phone. As for the wired option, of course, it includes a USB cable. You need to use a cable that, for example, we have inside the box. But if you get if the cable is broken or it's lost or anything, you can of course use any other cable as well. Of course, as long as it allows you to charge devices, because not every USB cable is capable of charging or transmitting data. So with a USB cable, whether it is USB-A to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C, you should be able to connect your phone to anything that provides power. Ideally, this should be a power adapter, but if you do not have a power adapter just yet, you can use other things like, for example, your computer or laptop. This can be, for example, your car, maybe a power bank, and so on and so forth. So anything that provides power via USB cable. Of course, some options are better than other. Like, for example, computer is not really great to charge your phone because usually computers don't provide that much power via USB cable. And it takes a really long time to actually charge the phone, so it's probably a bad idea to actually use it. But if you are in a situation where you cannot use anything else, then of course this is better than nothing. But ideally you want to use a power adapter, and you want to use a power adapter that has 100 watts or more, because the phone can be charged with the USB cable with 100 watts at most. So if you have a power adapter that has exactly 100 watts or more, then you can reach the fastest charging speed possible. Now, if you don't know how to start charging the phone with the USB cable, of course, first we're gonna connect it to the power adapter or anything else that you wanted to use to charge the phone. We're gonna put it into the power socket, of course. There we go. And at the bottom of the phone, we have the USB-C port. So we need to connect the cable to that port, just like that. And then we start charging straight away. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.